Welcome to Crypto Live. In this video, you will find out the truth about XRP is about to be illegal for investors to own, and its potential to reach 5 figures. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. Why there's so much attention around XRP is because there must be a lot happening behind the scenes. And we know that XRP is considered a security. In this case, why does the title of the video seem so misleading? It's because XRP is in fact considered security, although not in the way we think of it. What does XRP have to do with derivative securities? A derivative security is a financial contract between two parties for the purchase or sale of a particular property, asset, commodity, or other security at a specific price within a specific time frame. In general, a derivative security is a contract that invests in a group of assets. Also, XRP has gotten the attention of all prominent officials. While the cryptocurrency has been involved in a potentially devastating lawsuit that could have affected the entire legal system, it has demonstrated some striking price targets. In my opinion, you may want to consider buying the dip in XRP if you're considering investing in this cryptocurrency. This price action continues its noticeable trend and is expected to take off in a big way. What is really in question is whether the fintech company and XRP as a whole will benefit from this new venture. In spite of these difficult conditions, XRP appears to be calm and composed despite all the difficulties it has faced. For about 1 year, Ripple is fighting this legal battle, whose life expectancy is somewhere near January 2022, and a lot depends, however, on the court and news updates from either side. Ripple never failed to leave the matter alone, despite the SEC being given the flexibility to submit internal documents with some delay. And don't miss this video's latest XRP price prediction by watching until the end. The crypto market is volatile, which means that the prices mentioned in this video are subject to change. Ripple was obviously affected by the lawsuit, especially XRP, as XRP was delisted from major exchanges and permanently banned from some exchanges. And it has not been easy to invest in XRP, even if a person is willing to do so at the present time, until trading platforms allow it. Also, this makes it obvious that XRP is not a security, but a digital asset, since anything associated with traditional security is something that XRP holders won't get. But Ripple appears to have the support of the majority. Using the Freedom of Information Act, Empower Oversight has filed a request to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission seeking data involving internal communications between officials of the SEC and others. In accordance with the background check conducted on this organization, Empower Oversight's purpose is to help insiders document corruption and report it to the appropriate authorities while also holding them accountable to act on the information they provide. Oliver Giraud, the founder of Empower Oversight, wrote to the acting chief FOIA officer stating that he would be following Christopher Hinman's social media activities closely for the duration of the regulation of cryptocurrency by the SEC. Added that even though Hinman was receiving millions of dollars from his former employer, Simpson Thacher, he had been working at the SEC. Enterprise Ethereum Alliance is an industry group with the primary goal of incentivizing the use of Ethereum, the world's second largest cryptocurrency. Furthermore, Hinman was asked to testify in the present manner about his own statement, wherein he claimed the Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Ether weren't securities as he was the director of the SEC, and the price of Ether rose significantly only after Hinman's statement. As a result of the SEC's hypocritical action, Ripple XRP cryptocurrency suffered a 25% price plunge as Ripple declared its digital currency a security rather than a digital asset. Interestingly, William Hinman joined Simpson Thacher again in December 2020 after leaving the SEC. Furthermore, there is another twist in the tale, and that is the fact that it was the lead attorney for the SEC division who originally arranged for the XRP suit to be filed. The SEC's Mark Berger also left and returned to Simpson Thacher's office. As well as Hinman, others have raised concerns about how the former SEC chairman, Jay Clayton, is handling cryptocurrency issues. As with Hinman, Clayton stressed that Bitcoin wasn't a security that caused the price increase. After Clayton left the SEC, Ripple filed a lawsuit against him, and Clayton also joined One River Asset Management, a cryptocurrency hedge fund specializing in Bitcoin and Ethereum, as soon as he left the commission. Then, Clay recently became an advisory board member for Fireblocks, a crypto assets custodian that has helped secure $1 trillion in digital assets while offering insurance coverage for assets while in storage and transit. As a result, Empower Oversight is investigating Clayton as a SEC official. In the opinion of attorney Jeremy Hogan, William Hinman's deposition was questionable as the testimony of that witness was not disclosed in its full extent. So, what's your thought on this? Share it with us by leaving some comments below. Aside from that, according to Ripple counsel Reed Feigl, the SEC's counsel, Michael Seaman, allegedly removed the former SEC's deposition. Based on the information in the deleted portion, Ripple believes it provides the answer to the question asked to Hinman, that apart from Ripple's issue, if there's any other law firms contacting him seeking guidance on transactions involving digital assets. Thus, the government watchdog in this allegation have gathered pressure on SEC, which is facing a difficult time making decisions for the enforcement of digital assets. In light of the SEC versus Ripple case, industry leaders have united to confront regulation by enforcement. As an attorney representing XRP holders, John Deaton has asserted that SEC officials' conflict of interest are plausible since the beginning of the case. In early January 2021, Mr. Deaton wrote about his personal gain theory and proposed a line of questioning about conflicts of interest prior to the deposition of William Hinman. And due to the CFTC's supervision authority over digital assets, the SEC is also being squeezed. Representative Don Bayer proposed a bill to the Congress last week of July aimed at establishing a regulatory framework protecting consumers and fostering innovation by integrating Bitcoin and other digital assets into existing financial regulation frameworks. And a clear boundary is drawn between digital assets and digital asset security. Then the SEC will be able to regulate all digital assets that give the same rights as they do in a traditional holding in accordance with the legislation. Currency whose shares, dividends, profits, and voting rights do not become a digital asset under the control of the U.S. CFTC, the Commodities Future Trading Commission. And according to Thean Vuhogan, if the legislation passed, XRP would not be subject to SEC supervision. Then, according to Brian Quintens, the present CFTC commissioner, the SEC has no authority over pure commodities and their trading venues, whether they are wheat, gold, oil, or crypto assets. But the judge will now rule on Gary Gensler's claim that every ICO is an unregistered security, no matter what Gary Gensler says. Can you now see what's behind all the commotion that surrounds this XRP thing? So is XRP capable of reaching 5 figures? Certainly it is possible, especially once the lawsuit is over and investors are now aware of the truth behind the lawsuit. Further, because the Central Bank of France has determined that XRP is to be the basis for a digital euro, which is confirmed in the historical document from King Solomon, and therefore XRP is likely to soon dominate the financial sector for many reasons. In the last 24 hours, XRP has gained $1.859, as shown by CoinMarketCap's last data on Friday, August 26 at 0034 UTC. The price has grown over 160% since July 20th, forming a head and shoulders neckline. Thus, with the attention that this investment is receiving, you should be aware of how the market develops. That's all for this video about crypto, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on the crypto market, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.